Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.
Hi guys, sorry I'm eating some pancakes, but it is Thanksgiving, so we're going to be making some peach cobbler and green bean casserole today. First time making the peach cobbler, so I'm a little excited to see how that turns out. But to get the day started, we're going to go ahead and do that. It's about 9:15, and then we're going to start getting ready and head over to my grandma's house.
What you did was meaningless. What's the point of your coldness? I cannot sleep with your eyes on me, they burning. Surely you know me in and out. Need you to push back all those sprouts of insecurity. I won't have it to emphasize that. If only I could find myself inside all this ghostly mind where you stay so seamlessly in fate here within my maze. You are my Loch Ness. People have heard of you, but no one knows you. You hide the darkest secrets that I've got. We're hiding out in the deep. We're hiding out in the deep. No, it ain't a broken trust. Your heart is whole for the both of us. There's no time to be wasting now. Let's get away. Take me out to an open field where I can run till my lungs will scream. Even when my breath is short, I will not look back. There's a light in a silhouette, the wine, it glitters from your eyes. Will you stay so seamlessly in fate here within my maze? You are my Loch Ness. People have heard of you, but no one knows you. You hide the darkest secrets that I've got. We're hiding out in the deep. We're hiding out in the deep. You are my Loch Ness. People have heard of you, but no one knows you. You hide the darkest secrets that I've got. We're hiding out in the deep. We're hiding out in the deep. We're hiding out in the deep.
So we are on. Really? I got that on camera. I got you. Well, Liam got a black eye. About 2 hours ago, he was jumping off his bed to get something and hit his face on to get the balloons from the party the other night. But there's Andrea back there. Andrea, baby, say hi. But we are on our way to Momo's house. I got my peach cobbler and my green bean casserole. I made the green bean casserole right before we left, so that way it's still warm because we're going to be eating in about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm starving. I cannot wait to get there and just eat for two. I am going to be eating for two tonight. I'm in the second trimester. I could say that. I don't care. So, but will you stop picking your nose, you nasty? But we're just waiting on Austin to get into the car. You guys want to say hi? Hi. What are you guys, Liam, what are you thankful for this year? Your dad? Anything else?
Papa, Mimi, you, Austin, everybody.
everybody. Anything else?
Cats, dogs, turtles, every animal.
Animals, everything. Layla, what are you thankful for this year? Nothing. You're not thankful for anything? Andrea, what are you thankful for? No.
Poppy, I'm thankful for Poppy.
Poppy. She's obsessed with trolls, so she's thankful for Poppy and trolls. I'm thankful for this new baby. I'm thankful for these 3 munchkins. I'm thankful for my husband busting his butt. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm thankful for my family. So many things to be thankful for this year, so we're extra, extra thankful. Nose picker. We got potatoes, broccoli, rice, cheese casserole, dressing, ooh, cream corn, yams, green bean casserole. Oh, we're gonna be eating yummy. Turkey. Shh, don't say anything.
And then he got to like where the yellow is on the knuckles, and I was like,
Oh, because he had to retouch for the color. Yeah.
it was
What's
so bad.
Andrea
Yeah,
doing?
but I don't. That's why I don't do color. I'd rather just go gray.
Yeah.
Andrea!
I'm friends with the guys, so I was
Andrea!
sitting there, like yelling at him the whole
What are
time.
you doing?
Stop!
What are you doing? Me?
Let's get people out of those dishes right away.
I think we might as well make it red.
I want to tell on you so bad, but... Alright, I'm going to try my peach cobbler that I made, so...
I got it, Layla. We got a black eye this morning.
First time. What are you doing, silly? And she has ice cream. This is really good. It's yummy. Yummy?
Yummy.